Good morning, students. This is your economics teacher Sachin Khurana. Today we will start with numericals for the chapter Government Budget and the Economy. I repeat, today we will start with the numericals on Government Budget and the Economy. तो बेटा पहला न्यूमेरिकल देखेंगे हम. We have to calculate primary deficit, revenue deficit and fiscal deficit from the following data. From the following data. बेटा प्लीज नोट वन थिंग, यहां पर जो मैं ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स लिख रहा हूं ये अपने एग्जामिनेशन में नहीं लिखनी है. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ मेकिंग इट इजी एंड कंफर्टेबल एट योर लेवल. लेकिन एग्जामिनेशन में आप फुल फॉर्म्स लिख के आएंगे, कोई ऐसी शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स या व्हाट्सएप नहीं करना हमने. ठीक है जी, प्लीज नोट डाउन. वी हैव पर्टिकुलर्स एंड अमाउंट in rupees crores. Particulars and amount in rupees crores. We are given revenue expenditure 22250. Next, capital expenditure 28,000. Revenue receipts 17750. Capital receipts net of borrowings, यानी कि बोरोइंग्स को छोड़कर हमारी जो कैपिटल रिसीट्स हैं दे आर 20,000. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट्स that amounts to 5,000 rupees. Borrowings 12,500 crores. Getting my point? Now let us solve it. तो हम चलेंगे सीक्वेंस में. Let us first calculate the revenue deficit. Revenue deficit we know it is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. So revenue expenditure we are given over here is 22250. So we'll substitute the values. 22250 minus revenue receipts. Revenue receipts is 17750. So minus 17750 and our answer would be rupees 4,500 crores. Getting my point? Next, let us calculate fiscal deficit. We know fiscal deficit is equal to borrowings and we are already given the value of borrowings. Here are beta. Borrowings, it is 12,500. So directly we know the answer is rupees 12,500 crores. Getting my point? Or if we have to calculate it, then how we will calculate it? We know FD is equal to revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure minus of revenue receipts plus capital receipts excluding borrowings. Right? Let us substitute the values. Revenue expenditure we are given 22250 plus capital expenditure. Let us see the question. Capital expenditure is given 28,000. So it is 28,000 minus revenue receipts. Revenue receipts are 17750 plus capital receipts excluding borrowings. So we have capital receipts net of borrowings which are equal to 20,000 rupees. तो हम वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे 20,000. When we'll solve it, you will get 12500 crores. Getting my point? Now let us calculate primary deficit. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payments. प्लीज नोट इट डाउन कि आपने ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स जो हैं ये यूज नहीं करनी है एग्जामिनेशन में, राइट? सो प्राइमरी डेफिसिट इज इक्वल टू फिस्कल डेफिसिट माइनस इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट्स. नाउ लेट अस सी, वी हैव कैलकुलेट एफडी एज 12500 minus interest payments given to us is 5000. So we'll substitute the values and we will get rupees 7500 crores. 7500 crores. I hope this is clear to you. Now let us get on to our next numerical. Second question. Again, we have to calculate revenue deficit, fiscal deficit and primary deficit. We again have particulars and amount in rupees crore, right? First item is revenue expenditure, which is equal to 70,000. Second, we are given revenue receipts, which are equal to 50,000. Next is interest payments, which are equal to 25% of revenue deficit. Last, we are given borrowings, which are equal to 15,000. Now let us calculate the three things. Very first is revenue deficit. Revenue deficit, we know it is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी बेटे? We know revenue expenditure we are given with 70,000 minus revenue receipts 50,000. So our answer is rupees 20,000 crores. Please note it down. Next, we have to calculate FD. We are already given borrowings equal to 15,000 and we know, as we have done in previous question, that FD is equal to borrowings. So the value will be rupees 15,000 crores, right? Let us come to the third part, that is primary deficit. It is fiscal deficit minus interest payments. Now we are told that interest payments are equal to 25% of revenue deficit, right? So we will substitute the values 25 upon 100 into our RD we have calculated is 20,000, this one. So 1/4, so it becomes 5,000. Interest payments are equal to 5,000. Now let us substitute the values into this formula. FD is, we have calculated and rather given borrowings 15,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 10,000 crores. I hope this is also clear to you. Let us move on to our third numerical, that is again calculate revenue deficit, fiscal deficit and primary deficit. Again, the form of the question we are given is particulars amount in rupees crore, right? The first item we are given is tax revenue. Tax revenue amounts to 50. Next we are given revenue expenditure, that amounts to 110. Next is capital expenditure, it is 210. Next is non-tax revenue receipts, it amounts to 30. Next, capital receipts net of borrowings is given as 140, that is 140. IP is given as 20, right? Now let us move on to the solution. You'd be thinking that this is tough, but actually it is not, right? देखते हैं कैसे. So the solution for this question, let us first calculate revenue deficit. We know this is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts, or revenue receipts has two components, that is tax revenue and non-tax revenue. It means sources of tax and sources of non-tax, right? तो हम यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, इसको ब्रैकेट ओपन करके देखते हैं क्या कहता है ये. So we have revenue deficit is equal to revenue expenditure minus tax revenue plus non-tax revenue. Tax revenue plus non-tax revenue. So RE we are given as 110 minus tax revenue we are given as 50 and non-tax revenue we are given as 30. So the answer will be 110 minus 80, that is equal to rupees 30 crores. Now let us calculate fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit is equal to revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure minus bracket starts revenue receipts plus capital receipts excluding borrowings, or we say net of borrowings. We say net of borrowings. Now let us substitute the values. We have revenue expenditure is equal to 110. तो यहाँ हम वैल्यू डालेंगे 110 plus capital expenditure we are given as 210 minus revenue receipts हम यहां से उठाएंगे, we have 50 plus 30. तो रेवेन्यू रिसीट्स में हमारे पास टैक्स और नॉन टैक्स दोनों का टोटल आएगा प्लस कैपिटल रिसीट्स नेट ऑफ बोरोइंग्स, तो इसका मतलब 140. तो विल पुट द वैल्यू 140. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? सो इट कम्स आउट टू बी rupees 100 crores, right? Now let us calculate primary deficit. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payments, right? Fiscal deficit is equal to 100 minus interest payments we are given as 20. So the answer would be rupees 80 crore, right? Now let us get on to the last numerical, again we have to calculate revenue deficit, fiscal deficit and primary deficit. Again we are given with particulars and amount in rupees crores. Particulars and amount in rupees crores. क्या कहते हैं देखिए, फर्स्ट आइटम वी आर गिवन इज रेवेन्यू रिसीट्स. तो रेवेन्यू रिसीट्स का वैल्यू है 2037. नेक्स्ट वी आर गिवन रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. इसका वैल्यू हमें गिवन है 2811. नेक्स्ट इज कैपिटल रिसीट्स. इसका वैल्यू गिवन है 1324. नेक्स्ट इज कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. इसका वैल्यू है बेटे 550. नेक्स्ट वी हैव recovery of loans and other receipts. That is given as 240. Next we have borrowings and other liabilities. It accounts to be 1084. Last we are given interest payments. It amounts to be 1020. You can pause the video and note these values comfortably. Now let us come to the solution. Solution क्या कहता है देखिए. First we'll calculate revenue deficit. The formula for it is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. अब बेटा में revenue expenditure कितना given है? We are given 2811. Revenue receipts हमें कितनी given है? Revenue receipts हैं 2037. So the answer comes out to be rupees 774 crores. Right? Now let us calculate fiscal deficit. See, fiscal deficit we are already given borrowings and other liabilities. Borrowings and other liabilities 1084. So directly our fiscal deficit will be equal to borrowings and other liabilities, which comes out to be rupees 1084 CR. Right? Now let us calculate. अगर हमें गिवन ना होता तो हम कैलकुलेट कैसे करते हैं देखिए जी. We have FD is equal to revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure minus of revenue receipts plus capital receipts. और इस capital receipts में हम क्या करते हैं? We know we exclude borrowings. Excluding borrowings. Now let us substitute the values. Revenue expenditure we know, we'll copy it down. It is 2811 plus capital expenditure. Let us see what is the amount of capital expenditure given to us. Capital expenditure is given 550. Revenue receipts आ गई बेटा यहां से 2037 plus capital receipts excluding borrowings. So we have it to be recovery of loans and other receipts. See, these are capital receipts excluding borrowings. तो recovery of loans and other receipts is 240. हम borrowings को छोड़ रहे हैं. borrowings हमें मालूम है 1084 है, तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे आ गया 240. When we'll solve it, we'll get rupees 1084 CR. Right? Now let us see one more thing over here, that अगर मुझे कैपिटल रिसीट्स, ये आप नोट कर सकते हैं अलग से लॉजिक क्लियर करने के लिए, कैपिटल रिसीट्स नेट ऑफ बोरोइंग्स निकालना है, कैपिटल रिसीट्स नेट ऑफ बोरोइंग्स निकालना है, तो ऑलरेडी ये मुझे 240 गिवन था, लेकिन मैं कैसे निकाल सकता हूं, देखिए इट इज 1324। देखिए मुझे कैपिटल रिसीट्स कितनी गिवन है, 1324, राइट? तो आई राइट 1324 माइनस बोरिंग्स कितनी निकाली मैंने, 1084, सो इट कम्स आउट टू बी रुपीज 240, इट कम्स आउट टू बी रुपीज 240 CR। तो देखिए 240 CR होगी कैपिटल रिसीट्स एक्सक्लूडिंग बोरिंग्स 240। देखिए हमें क्वेश्चन में भी यही गिवन है, रिकवरी ऑफ लोन्स एंड अदर रिसीट्स एक्सक्लूडिंग बोरिंग्स हो गया ना, तो 240, राइट? नाउ लेट अस कैलकुलेट प्राइमरी डेफिसिट। अब प्राइमरी डेफिसिट क्या होता है बेटे, फिस्कल डेफिसिट माइनस इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट्स। तो फिस्कल डेफिसिट हमने निकाला है 1084 माइनस इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट हमें गिवन है 1020, so it would be 1020, so the answer would be rupees 64 crores. I hope the video content and the numericals are clear to you. If you have any genuine doubts, please go to the comment section and take your doubts, they would be resolved. Thank you and have a nice day.